Hello students, welcome to Siddhapur Mathematics Academy. In the today's class, I am giving you some tricks on integration. So as you know that the students are always facing the problem in integration. They feel they used to tell that the integration is tough. But see these tricks, they are very simple. Within a fraction of second you can solve this, and within one line you will get the answers. Here these are usually integration by parts, and you know that integration by part formula is so lengthy. Here in the CET we are not applying that. For some few examples, the examples in the form of x into sin x. X means what? Algebraic function. Algebraic into sin x, algebraic into cos x, and algebraic into exponential. The trigonometric term usually used are sin x and cos x. So I will explain this concept within a fraction of second in one line. Always select the algebraic term as the first function. This is the first function and this is the second function. The trick is like this. First function keep as it is, write it in the bracket. Integrate the second function, integration of e raised to x, and remember the sign comes alternatively, plus minus. Here first start with plus, then minus comes. Now differentiate this. So I am writing, that's why I am writing d, and here I am writing I, integration. Differentiate this, 3x square. Don't mix with anyone. This is differentiation term and this is integration. After that plus. Now again differentiate this. Integrate this. This is d, this is I. Plus minus plus minus. Differentiate this. Integrate this. The next one is not coming. Why? Because when you differentiate 6, the answer is 0. So no need to write that. This is plus c. If you mark like this, I am moving to the next examples here. If it is x cube into sin x, again algebraic is a first function and trigonometric is a second function. Keep the first function as it is. Let us take as a d, because that we are differentiating next onwards. Integration of sin x is minus cos x, as I told you, write it in the bracket. Next minus. This is d, this is I. It is 3x square. Don't mix this, don't remove the sign also. Integration of minus cos x, that is minus sin x only. Don't mix with this. At last we will mix. This is d, this is I. Plus 3x square is 6x. This is integration of sin is minus cos, already minus is there. This is d, this is I. Plus differentiation of 6x. Why I wrote d means that we are differentiating. Next is not there because differentiation of 6 is 0. Now I am combining this. It is minus x cube into cos x plus 3x square into sin x plus 6x into cos x plus 6 into sin x plus 6. See, is the trick is very simple or what? Within a fraction of second you are solving. I will write one more here. Yes. This is the first function and this is the second function. I kept the first function as it is. Integration of cos 2x is sin 2x divided by 2. Then middle minus. This is differentiation, this is integration. This is 2x and this is minus cos 2x upon 4. Already 2 is there. Next after minus plus. This is d, this is I. Differentiation of 2x is 2. It is minus sin 2x divided by 8. Because 4 is already there. Next differentiation is not possible. Why? Differentiation of 2 will be 0. Simplify this. Simplify this and rearrange the terms. X square plus 1 into sin 2x divided by 2 Here these two and these two get cancels. This is minus into minus plus x into cos 2x divided by 2 plus into minus sin 2x divided by 4 plus c. See, is the sum is simple or what? I am giving you one more example, then I will stop. See, this is a symbol trick we can apply in the CET within a line. Next one is so this is the first one and this is the second function. First function as it is. In the first step as it is, integration of e raised to x. Now it is the differentiation, it is integration. Middle minus comes 3x square plus 1 into integration of e raised to x. This is t, this is I. Middle plus 6x into e raised to x. This is t, this is I. Minus 6 into e raised to x plus. See, is the trick is simple or what? Rearrange that. If you want, you can take e raised to x common. It depends on the option what is given. Depending on that option, we are solving.